People buy Beck actuators because they're reliable, easy to use, and last forever, which is why Beck has built a reputation that our actuators do what you need them to do and don't cause problems. And because of our reputation, our customers ask for a multi-turn version of our actuator. The Beck 88109 multi-turn actuator is designed to be the most reliable and maintenance-free multi-turn electric actuator on the market. It solves the problems associated with traditional designs and meets the rigorous standards that have made Beck actuators the choice of so many for so many years. For almost 90 years, Beck has been the benchmark standard of excellence, reliability, and durability in thousands of industrial facilities. Thanks to the unique design that offers 100% duty, a no burnout motor, high efficiency spur gear train, and super low power requirements, customers that use Beck once usually make the switch permanently. But it's not just the unique design that makes Beck actuators stand out. It's also the fact that they require no periodic maintenance. They're simple to use, their reliability is unmatched, and direct factory support from skilled professionals is always part of the package. The 88109 shares all the benefits and technology that is the heart of every other existing Beck actuator. Therefore, it embodies all the time-proven performance, maintenance, and support advantages of traditional quarter-turn or linear stroke Beck actuators, but will do so in a package designed for multi-revolution applications. The 88109 is a unique, state-of-the-art multi-turn actuator rated to produce 125 pound-feet continuous duty. It features the reliability advantages customers have come to expect from Beck, including the Beck Advantage, unmatched expert support, pre-sale to after-sale for the life of the actuator. Other noteworthy advantages include the incredibly efficient all-spur gear train that eliminates worm gear inefficiencies and oil bath lubrication issues. A long life and no periodic maintenance or recalibration is necessary. Permanent magnet motor will not burn out. And finally, Beck's industry-leading 3-year warranty. 100% made in the USA at our factory headquarters in Newtown, Pennsylvania, Beck's 88109 multi-turn actuators give you and your company the reliability, the performance, and the assurance you deserve. Call us or visit our website today to learn more.